Today we're going to draw a super cute, but very sad, baby face. Looks like someone is hungry. Let's find out what's wrong while we draw.
Stop! Hey kids, it's BooBoo time. Grab your pencil, it's sketching time. First we start with simple lines, shapes and curves. Oh, look, that's fine. A circle here, a squiggle there. Soon a character will appear. Call sketch, sketch with BooBoo. Yeah.
Why do you think the baby's crying? Maybe they're hungry. Let's draw a baby bottle right next to them. A cute one with a soft nipple on top. And beside it, a milk bottle. Full and ready to help. Can you imagine the baby's smile after this?
Don't you worry, take your time. Follow along with every line. Big bright eyes and smiling face. Our sketch is taking shape with grace. Sketch, sketch with BooBoo, yay. Line by line we draw and play. Every little mark's okay. Our BooBoo friend will shine today. Now we've got our sketch, hooray. Colors and fun are on the...
Now let's add some color. I'm coloring the baby's face a soft peach and the cheeks light pink from all that crying. The bottle can be blue, pink, or even rainbow if you want. Make it fun.
Say, we sketched our BooBoo. Looking great. Now it's time to decorate. Oh! Pick your colors, bold or bright. Make BooBoo shine in the light. Red or yellow, green or blue. It's your choice, it's up to you. Color, color with BooBoo, yay. Fill the world with joy today. Brush or marker, it's okay. We bring our BooBoo to life this way. Soft and gentle, take your time. Every shade is just sublime. Stripes or dots or sparkles too. Your BooBoo's made by you, so true. Color, color with BooBoo, yay. Fill the world with joy today. Brush or marker, it's okay. We bring our BooBoo to life this way. Mix and blend, have lots of fun. There's no wrong way for anyone. Bright and happy, bold and new. Look at what you made, woohoo! Color, color with BooBoo, yay. Fill the world with joy today. Brush or marker, it's okay. We bring our BooBoo. Red finger here to play. Blue joins right away. Yellow finger waves too high. Green pops up, oh my, oh my. Colors, colors, finger fun. Let's play games, everyone. Dance around, sing and say. Colors bright, hip hooray. Colors, colors, finger fun. Let's play games, everyone. Dance around, sing and say. Colors bright, hip hooray. Orange finger starts to spin. Purple joins with a grin. Colors dance, what a sight. Emily laughs with delight. Colors, colors, finger fun. Let's play games, everyone. Dance around, sing and say. Colors bright, hip hooray. Colors, colors, finger fun. Let's play games, everyone. Dance around, sing and say. Colors bright, hip hooray. Rainbow bridge, up so high. Jump to reach it in the sky. Mix the colors, make some new. What's your favorite? Tell me too. All fingers wave goodbye. Colors colors shine in the sky. Emily learned and played. What a fun, colorful day! Colors, colors, finger fun. Let's play games, everyone. Dance around, sing and say, colors bright, hip hooray. Colors, colors, finger fun. Let's play games, everyone. Dance around, sing and say, colors bright, hip hooray.
Let's make it shine. A little glitter on the milk bottle, and some on the pacifier too. Now it looks extra cute.
It's glitter time. Let's make our art sparkle and shine. Grab your glitter, silver or gold. Sprinkle it gently, be bold. Tap, 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 a little goes far. Now your drawing shines like a star. Glitter, glitter, sparkle bright. Make the world so full of light. Shiny colors left and right. We're making magic with delight. Pink and purple, blue and green.
Aw, look how cute our crying baby turned out. Don't worry, little one. The milk is coming. If you had fun drawing this story, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to BooBoo Productions for more fun drawings every week. Bye-bye, tiny artists.